When the phone bush turns white, that's when I'll come home. I'm going out to see.
The story started when this new girl came into class. So her name is Bella. Ja, ja, ja. Da, da, da. So, you're Bella?
Yes, that's me.
Nice.
So, what's your name?
I'm Edward Japan. I mean the apple.
Apple? Is that your last name? Or?
No, where the fuck did you get apple from? My last name is Colin.
Then why do you call yourself the Apple?
Because I like apples and actually just like fruits because there's so many vitamins in.
Yeah, cause every fruit is healthy. Sure.
Since that day, she just couldn't stop dreaming about him.
Since that day, I kept dreaming about him. I love him. Everything about him. I simply love it. His hair, his stupid crazy eyes, his walk, his stance, his butt. Of course, his butt. It was beautiful. I loved it. One day, I dreamed something very strange.
Oh my god, she's so beautiful. You turned me on, Bella!
What are you doing in my room?
It's just a dream. It's just a dream.
That wasn't the only thing that was weird. I love everything about him. His hair, his eyes, his nose. Are you awake?
Yeah, vampires doesn't sleep.
Are you a vampire?
No, but apples and vampires are almost the same.
So you're an apple?
No.
Alright then. Why do you have a bra on your head?
Because I like to.
You know, that bra looked kind of familiar.
I definitely didn't take from the closet. I have many sisters. Please go out. Yeah, I want to masturbate.
Edward, what are you doing?
I was just trying to be romantic.
It's not working.
Uh-uh.
Edward!
But I tried just that. The guy kissed the neck.
No, Edward, no. Please stop.
Alright, I will stop.
Alright,
I don't watch.
Edward, please stop. I can't take it. I have my period.
Yeah, what?
No, Edward, no.
Yeah, period.
Edward, no. He wasn't always that hot, but I still love him.
Bella, have you seen my hairspray?
No, Edward, I haven't. No.
Alright then, maybe I'll put it in my purse.
And sometime he was an asshole.
Alright, are you ready, Spider-Monkey?
Of course I am.
Sounds pretty fun, huh? Oh my god, you're fat! You gain weight?
Very big asshole.
Alright, are you ready?
Of course I am.
Alright. This will be fun.
No, Edward, no. Edward, you're a fucking asshole.
You guys probably thought we forget something,
But we didn't.
here is Bella's super hot werewolf friend Jacob.
Da da da.
Saw you there. Check out my new six-pack.
It's fine, but what's that on your side?
It is a symbol of power.
Alright then.
Yes. Some of my friends do it.
Fucking hate when the transformation goes wrong.
When the phone bush turns white, that's when I'll come home.
Det er utrolig svært at
So you're Bella.
Nej, vi kan bare klippe i det, når det er bare den kører.
Ja! Nej, vi har ikke tid. Farvel. Klar?
Ja.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to hit her in the face. Hvad?
Nej.
So you're Bella.
Yeah, that's me.
It's actually a wig. It's a flip-on wig. Du var ikke engang begyndt.
Nej.
Sexy.
Vi fik... Dum, dum, dum!